today is, I think, the first day with quite a okay forecast. It's still not like the strong conditions we can get here, but it looks like the wind already has filled in a little bit early this morning, which is a good sign. Usually you need some wind in the morning to build up the wind with the thermic, and then around midday, afternoon, the wind is at its strongest, and then we can really race. So today will be a nice day for the big guys to practice. Maybe for the girls it can be strong enough to come close to the world record. Maybe if the wind really gets good, they can even have a chance of breaking it. We have to see. But yeah, either way, it looks like one of the better days we had till now. So hopefully we get some good days, just finger crossed. I think I'm at the moment fourth, but I mean it's you cannot say anything at the moment. We had no wind. It's all light days. It's one big lottery with the wind gusts. So whoever gets the only gust of the day is probably ending on top. So I think tomorrow the whole ranking will shake up a little bit, and we will see some changes with the big guns coming in and stepping into the small sails.